So we have to calculate the hourly benefit. To calculate the hourly benefit, let's make a table. Hourly benefits will be for peak. Our old trip, in case of old trip, the hourly benefit will be total passenger trip. If we see that the total passenger trip is 18,000, so 18,000 multiplied into this value. The value is 3 here. So 18,000 multiplied by 3 is 54,000 is for old trip. This is the benefit in old trips. In new trips, the benefit will be half into our say expansion. In case of expansion, our trip is 24,000 minus 18,000 into the hourly benefit for peak is 3. So it becomes 9,000. Then we have to calculate total. So total will be 54,000 plus 9,000, which is 63,000. So here one things come, how we get this half. Actually this half comes from a graph. If it is number of users in x-axis and y-axis is user price, in that case this is the slope, and within this rectangular portion is our old trip benefit, and this triangular portion, that is half into base into perpendicular, is our new trip benefit. So from this graph, that is half into base, that is 24,000 minus 18,000 into the benefit, that is $3, will give us the benefit for the new trip. And calculating total trip plus new trip, it will give us total. Old trip plus new trip gives us the total. For off peak, similarly we have 9,000. We get the 9,000 value over here. 9,000 is given off peak, it is 9,000. So 9,000, we write the 9,000 into, for off peak per trip benefit is 1. So we multiplied 9,000 into 1, that is 9,000, and again for new trip it will be half for the triangle, half into the off trips are increasing from 10,000 to 9,000. So half into 10,000 minus 9,000 into the benefit is $1. Benefit is $1. You can see multiplied by 1. So it gives us 5,500. So total benefit will become 9,000 plus 500 give us 9,500. So this is the hourly benefit. Next, we have to calculate the annual benefit, the annual travel benefit. Annual travel time benefit we have to calculate. It will be again two things, one is peak, another one is off peak, and we have to calculate the total of it. Our old trip is 54,000 multiplied by number of hour in peak and off peak. One thing actually I have missing here, we have to add number of peak hour and off peak hour. So say it is given that it is given in the question that that total number of, it is given in the, will be given in the question, total peak hour is 1,000 hour per year. So off peak hour will be total we have 8,760 hour. This is 8,760 hour per year minus 1,000 our peak hour. So if we subtract the value, we'll get 7,760 hour per year is the off peak. So we have to multiply 54,000 with for peak hour we have to multiply with 1,000, which will give 54 million hour for old trip. For new trip, again our peak hour is, as per question, is 1,000 hour. In that case, peak hour our new trip will be 9,000 multiplied by 1,000 will give us 9 million. So total peak annual peak hour travel time benefit will be 63 million. It will give us 63 million if we multiply 63,000 into 1,000. For peak hour, this value will be 9,000 into our off peak hour is 7760 multiplied this with 7760. Let's multiply it. 9,000 multiplied by 7760 give us 69,840,000, and again the 500 multiplied by 7760 will give us 3,880,000, and adding up these two, that is 69 million and 3 million, will give us 73,720,000. So total will become, now the total will become 54 million and 69 million give us 123,840,000, and this 9 million and 3 million give us 12,880,000, and adding up this total give us 136,720,000. This is the total annual benefit we get. Now we have to calculate total annual benefit. So if we write over here, total annual benefits will be time saving. One is from time saving. Our time saving is this one, that is 136,720,000, and time saving for reduced risk, that is for life saving. If we get into the question, for life saving, our our life saves, one life saves, and 2 minus 1, that is 1 life saves, and each life is 300,000. So our reduced risk will be 2 minus 1 into 300,000. So it gives me 300,000. So adding up both this give us the value 139,720,000. So this is the total annual benefit we get.